Hello everyone, welcome to Himalaya channel. In this video, we are going to discuss chapter 9 of class 7 NCERT, Our Environment. This is the book we are referring. And what is the chapter name? Life in Temperate Grasslands. Hope you remember the different grasslands what we have discussed in the previous video. For example, in North America, these temperate grasslands are called prairies. In South America, especially Argentina, they are called as pampas. In South Africa, they are called velds. Australia, it is downs. And Central Asia, they are called as steppes. In this chapter, we are going to discuss life in temperate grasslands, especially here about prairies as well as South African velds. Here. So here prairies are bound by Rocky Mountains towards the west, okay, and Great Lakes towards the east. And where can we find this? It covers major parts of USA and Canada. Here you can see Chinook. What is Chinook? Chinook is a hot wind. It is a local wind which blows in winter. When it crosses Rocky Mountains and goes in this region, it melts the snow covered in this region. That is why Chinook is called as snow eater. Coming to the flora and fauna in prairies here, it is practically treeless, but places where water is sufficiently available, we can find trees such as willows, alders, poplars, etc. Wherever the rainfall is above 50 centimeter, there it is suitable for agriculture because here the soil is fertile. Remember, rice bowl of the world. Then here what is very famous is ranches. Large scale cattle farms are called ranches. They are looked after by the sturdy men called as cowboys. You can see in the picture. And the most important animals we find here are bison or the American buffalo. So what is the climate here? As it lies interior of the continent, it experiences continental type of climate where we can face extreme temperature. And annual rainfall is moderate and it is ideal for growing only the grasses. So that is about the prairies. Coming to the next type of temperate grasslands, what we find in South Africa, that is velds. Velds are bounded by Drakensberg mountain towards their east. And what climate does it experiences? Because it is surrounded by, here you can see, one side here it is Atlantic Ocean, other side Indian Ocean. So because of this, it will have ocean influence. It faces mild climate. And winters are cold and dry here. The temperatures in winter varies between 5 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. And which is the coldest month? It is the July. Here, velds receive rainfall in summer months. And the summer here is from November to February. Why is it so? Because it lies in the southern hemisphere. And what is flora and fauna here? Mainly the vegetation is very sparse. And famous is red grass which grows in this bush velds. Coming to the people and economic activity here, they are known for cattle rearing and mining. Even agriculture is also practical. What are the main crops we get it here? It is maize, wheat, barley, oats and potatoes. And they are rich in mineral resources. Where iron is present, where coal is present, there we can find iron and steel industries. Here the famous one is Johannesburg. Here it is known as a gold capital of the world. Okay. So what did we discuss in this video? We saw life in temperate grasslands, example in prairies and in velds. We try to know what is the climate in this region, what is the flora and fauna, and what are the activities of the people in this region. Okay, so that's it in this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.